Hey all, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Musatoku Power Supply Brass Edition. This easy to operate power supply has been given a shiny new makeover, so let's take a closer look. The Musatoku is a high quality power unit that is used by many of the best tattoo artists across the globe. With a high output of 5 amps, this power supply will give you a clean and stable current, ensuring that your tattoo machines will run without any fluctuations and will stay cool during long tattooing sessions. As you can see, the Musatoku power supply is incredibly easy to operate, with just a single button needed to change the voltage or store and access your preferred settings. Plus, it has memory for up to 4 presets. To adjust the voltage from 2 to 16 volts, simply turn the dial to increase or decrease the output in 0.1 volt steps, which lets you control the hit of your machine with precision. The voltage will then be shown on the high contrast OLED display that can be seen here on the front of the power supply. If you're running a tattoo machine that needs a bit of extra power to start up, then switch on the nitro function. This will give you an extra boost for the first 0.5 seconds, allowing you to start even the heaviest motors or machines that run on a low voltage. This power unit offers 3 modes, which are standard, one click, and maintained. Standard mode means that you need to hold your foot pedal down to keep your machine running, whereas one click mode requires you to simply press your foot switch to run the machine and press it again to turn it off. If you prefer not to use a pedal at all, you're best using maintain mode, which lets you turn your tattoo machine on or off via the power supply itself. That's not all for the Musatoku, as it has a few more nifty features. The inclusion of not 1, not 2, but 3 overcurrent protection systems are on hand to cut out if there is a problem with either your machine or cables, which in turn will protect your machines and extend their lifetime. It also comes fitted with a special electronic sensor that filters out any micro interruptions, ensuring that your tattoo machine will continue to run smoothly even if the contacts on your foot switch are a bit dirty or rusty. Along with a golden brass knob dial and riveted leather band, this version of the power supply has a solid brass construction that has been hand burnished and aged with sandblasting for a truly eye-catching look. Musatoku chose to build this variant of its power supply out of brass due to its bactericidal properties, which bumps up its hygiene factor even more. Due to the particular hand burnished treatment that each brass edition model receives, the look of each power supply from Musatoku may differ slightly to the one we have here. Weighing in at only 169 grams and measuring just 116 by 72 millimeters, the Musatoku Brass Edition is an ideal power supply for both studio use and taken with you to guest spots and conventions. Killer Ink stock various attachments and covers that will help you get even more use out of your Musatoku power supplies. One of the more nifty attachments is this foldable magnetic stand, which features magnets on the base of the stand that allow you to attach your Musatoku to any magnetic surface. The GoPro attachment on the stand can also be rotated, so you can get your power supply facing in any direction you want. Compared to the standard model, this version of the Musatoku magnetic stand is foldable and allows for a wider variety of positions. There is also the Musatoku arm clamp, which can be attached to any surface and again lets you set the power supply in any position. We also carry disposable covers that have been specifically designed to fit over Musatoku power units. These food grade PET sleeves will fit snugly over your power supply and prevent cross-contamination, while still allowing you to easily use the buttons on the unit. The Musatoku Power Supply Brass Edition and all of the aforementioned attachments and covers are available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. We've also left a link in the description to our previous Musatoku video review. That review looks at the standard version of this power supply that is built from aircraft grade aluminium and features an elasticated cord in the back to keep your power lead out the way while tattooing. So now that you've seen the brass edition of the Musatoku power supply, what do you think? Will you be picking up this sleek and shiny version for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.